It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm WaterC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a Master 80mm disc lock. I've single pin picked this one before. It was probably about a year ago, and the reason for getting this back out is because a couple of my other videos were sort of single pin picking 70mm disc locks, and one of them was an Abus. I do have a working key for this, or did, but cannot find it. You can see that's locked up there. So let's have a go at getting this open, see how we get on. So tension wrenching using a Southard hook. Try right from the back actually. There you go. Picked. It has gone a lot quicker, but maybe that could be due to being stood for a year. I've not had a working key placed in it. So if you are newbies to lock sports, guys, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk, where you'll pick up some great hints and tips and fantastic advice. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.